Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to apply for King Abdulaziz University Scholarship. So King Abdulaziz University is in Jeddah of Saudi Arabia. Let's discuss some of the basic requirements you need to have to apply for this scholarship. So the entry requirements include student must not be older than 30 years. Student must contain a recognized qualification in his or her own country with a minimum grade of very good. Means the degree you have already obtained from your university would be very good. The third point is the student must obtain one of the following scores in English test. Like TOEFL, PBT, you should have 500 score. In CBT, you should have 173. IBT, you should have 61. But if you have the IELTS exam, then 5 band is enough. This in number 4, a student must be good conduct and medically fit. Means your medical examination must be alright. There should be no problem, no disease. Student must provide 2 recommendation letters from his or her previous faculty members. So the university you already studied before, you should take 2 recommendation letters from your professors, associate professors. Number 6 says a student must not have dismissed from one of Saudi institutions. It means you should not have been enrolled before in an organization in Saudi and then got dismissed or kicked out. Candidates of Arabic language and literature, Islamic law, studies, psychology, information science programs must be professional in spoken and written Arabic language. If you are selecting a program for the scholarship in which there is some use of Arabic language, like literature, Islamic studies, psychology, information science programs, if there is some rule or some use of Arabic language, then you should be professional in spoken and written Arabic language. There may be, they may ask for a proof, like they may ask in the interview, or they may take a test, or maybe even they ask for a certification that may show this truth. And finally, student must be of good conduct and medically fit, which is the same point of 4 repeated again, that there should be no disease, no problems, etc. So let's move how to start applying for this scholarship. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and write King Abdulaziz University Scholarship, and when you enter it, you get the first link written scholarship portal for international students, الصفحة الرئيسية. You have to click over this link, and this is the site. They say welcome, study at King Abdulaziz University, apply now. Click on apply now. Okay, so Arabic language diploma, you want to apply here, undergraduate program, graduate programs. So this video is basically for the students who want to apply for the graduate programs in master or PhD here. So apply now. In graduate programs, you have 2 options: apply for a PhD program, apply for a master program. I'll click on master program. And then the same, this is the faculty, like what are the specializations they have. Like faculty of science have biology, science, statistics, chemistry, biochemistry. Faculty of engineering, meteorology, environment and land agriculture. Faculty of computing and information technology, environmental designs and marine sciences. So you can see these are the programs of master degree that its length is 2 academic years, and also that only these programs will be provided scholarship in. So the entry requirements are the same that we have already discussed. Let's click on apply now. So you have to create your own account, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in. So create your account. Please enter your personal email below to get a user account and password. Okay, so the registration process has been successfully completed and the username and password has been sent to my email. So if not received, like if I open my inbox and I don't find the email, I have to check the junk mail. So let me check. So I got the email from King Abdulaziz University, and they say, dear applicant for graduate studies, you have got the username and the password. Okay, so this is my username. I'm gonna copy from here, go back, okay, login. I will put my username here and the password they have given me. Okay, so this is now the form This is our complete form that we have to fill. It has 8 steps. The first step is about personal data, then education, registration program, attached files, confirmation, follow-up, change password, and then sign out. So we need to complete this whole form to apply for the scholarship. So I need to enter the first name, father name, grandfather family name. If you have a long name, you can add here. Nationality, you have to write from which country are you. Okay, so passport number, whatever you have. The address, the home country address. This here you have to write the address of the country you belong to, like if you are from Karachi and etc etc, from your country address. Residence country, where you are living right now. Passport expired date. And one more thing, you should be having the passport before you apply here. So you could write the passport expired date. For example, I'm writing a random date. So date of birth, you have to write your own. Make sure these details are correct. No wrong details or anything. Or place of birth, where are you born? Even if you are born in some other country, you can write their name, no problem. Then you have to enter your gender. Why is it only male? Then religion, Muslim or non-Muslim, you can enter it. Marital status. Mobile number, the home country mobile number. Like if you are in America and you are living there, you have to write there your phone number from your country. And if you are in Pakistan or any other country, you have to write your home phone number along with the code 92 and then 34 and etc etc, the whole phone number. Then you have to click on save. So they are asking me that error in family name, because I didn't fill the grandfather family name, just writing something. So I'm clicking on next. Error in gender, because I didn't select it. Why do I have to click on male only? Okay, whatever. Incorrect mobile number. Okay, let's see. So this is done. Now we have to come to the next point, which is education. I have to write the degree. Which degree I did. This is the degree. This is about me, not about what I am applying for. Okay, so because in number 3 I will have to select the registration program, what I am applying for. Here I have to give my own information. I did bachelor's, I will write here place of graduation, my country where I graduated, Department of Sciences, major, what was your major, what you studied in, like maybe microbiology or any of your major. What was your specialization, you have to write. If you don't have any, no problem. Date of graduation, when did you graduate. GPA, graduation category, from 5, from 4, we usually have from 4, and how much GPA you got. Something, whatever you got, you have to write it. So the down part is about English proficiency certificate, which will tell more about how much English you know or the certifications you have done. So TOEFL, PBT, IBT, CBT or IELTS, which one you have done. For example, IELTS, your score is maybe 7.5 above their requirement. Exam date. Exam date is must, because they want to know when did you conduct the examination. So if you did it after, like it's over 2 years, so it will not be acceptable for sure. A copy of language exam certificate with other required documents should be attached. When you are going to fill your whole form, then you will have to attach the copy of this exam. For example, it should not exceed more than 2 years. So here we need to save it. Successfully saving. Moving to the next option, which is about registration program. Now I have to choose the program where I want to study. So MS in astronomy, chemistry, marine, or whatever the program I want. For example, I want MS in biochemistry. I will just click on it. These are all the programs that you will find. These are the master programs that they are providing us with. So let's click on next. Now it's time for, okay, so in the attached file section, I need to attach all these files. So when you will watch this video, it's important for you to make a list of these requirements. So you could have the PDF, they are asking for PDF. So you should have the PDF of these documents already. So you would just choose file and attach them. Number one, they are asking for passport. So here should be a passport, a PDF of your passport. Graduation certificate is your final, like your final degree. You have to attach its PDF here. Transcript is your mark sheet. You will upload it. And then English language exam certificate. This is the IELTS or the TOEFL you are going to do. You have to attach the file here. Recommendation 1 from one professor, recommendation 2 from the other one. So these 2 recommendation letters should be from different professors, not the same person making 2. Your CV you have to attach, and the CV should be all related to the program you have selected. It should be precise and should include the basic details you want to mention here. Statement of purpose. Remember that statement of purpose is the most important thing. You can go and search over their website that what kind of faculty they have and what most important things, like what is their research going on, and you have to write your statement of purpose according to it. Your personal photo, and make sure that it is a professional one, not a selfie or something else. And then other one, if you think you have done some certifications and or some courses related to your field of interest, then you can upload them here in other 1, 2, 3 and 4, or any research you have done and you have a proof of it, like you have a research paper published, you can upload a PDF form of it and details in this section. So number 5 will give you that they are saying that request number is this. It's a confirmation. Grade is very good. They are saying registration program is MS in biochemistry. Education, this is like a review of my form that I have entered. So here I down attached files required, like I didn't attach the files, so I certify that the information given in this application is accurate and under my responsibility. I will have to certify, save and send. Once I click here, then my application will go ahead. And then follow up. In follow up section, I will keep on checking. You can follow any query after order confirmation only. Once I'm done with confirmation at point number 5, then I can follow up what is the progress of my application, how much is left and more details. Or I can then change the password. I can enter the current password, new password, and just change it. And at number 8, I can just sign out. So this is the form of King Abdulaziz University. It's not hard at all. It's so simple, easy. You just have to watch this video, ready your documents, your information. The most important thing would be statement of purpose, like why you want to apply in this university. And remember that your selection will be on the basis of SOP. If you have a low CGPA, no problem. You can do related courses to your degree of interest. You can do related courses, and you can always get the chance of a scholarship. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll make more videos about more scholarships. See you.